Keeping Google Play safe for users and app and game businesses remains our top priority. Over the past year, we've partnered with app and game developers to help keep their users and businesses safe. We help businesses to protect their apps, prepare to share their data safety practices with their users, and collaborate on building more private advertising technology. We also continued investing in machine learning detection and enhanced app review processes to stop apps with abusive or malicious content before anyone can install them. We also realized that it can be challenging for app and game businesses to keep up with the pace of change in this evolving privacy and security landscape. So we've been mindful to give you clearer updates about new policy and product requirements, provide more time for substantial changes, and expanded our communications with inbox console messages, global webinars, and additional education resources. Today, we're excited to share more about what's coming up in 2022, so you have plenty of time to prepare. Quality apps and games use good data safety practices to protect your users. We've heard that you want to explain your data safety practices to users clearly and simply. This is why we've added the data safety section to apps Play Store listings. Now, you can share how your app collects, shares, and protects user data. You can also showcase additional ways that you protect users by opting into badges that shows that your app has security practices like data encryption in transit, has committed to following our family's policy, or has been independently reviewed for conformance with a global security standard. People have told us that they value having this information to help them decide if an app or game is right for them. In late April, users will start to see the data safety section in Google Play, so make sure to submit your data safety form in console soon. Also, as a reminder, you will need to have an approved form for all updates starting July 20th. Quality apps and games only share people's information in the way that people expect. We're committed to building a more privacy-friendly approach to advertising and recently announced expansion of the Privacy Standbox initiative to Android. This initiative works on innovative solutions to improve user privacy while continuing to support the essential mechanisms that you rely on to build your businesses and provide free apps to everyone. Specifically, these solutions will limit sharing of user data with third parties and operate without cross-app identifiers. We're building this technology in close collaboration with app and game businesses. So please review our initial design proposals and share your feedback on the Android developer site. You can also sign up to receive regular email updates about our designs and timelines. I'm sure that we can all agree that you want your users to get the quality experience that you design for them. So to help protect your apps from piracy and fraudulent activity, which can interfere with this experience, we started rolling out the Play Integrity API last year. This API helps you protect your games and apps by making it easier to detect suspicious traffic so you can respond faster to issues like fraud and cheating. Now, everyone has access to this API to help your users get the app experience you intend. Importantly, we've built this API in a future-forward way so that you can easily get new features with little build time required to upgrade. We know that using SDKs can be a key way for you to build quality apps by introducing new features or monitoring performance. And determining which SDK is safe and reliable is integral to an app's quality. You told us that you want faster communication from SDK providers about critical updates that could cause issues for your business. So last year, we gave SDK providers a way to notify you about urgent issues through your Google Play console. You have also shared that you want to learn more about an SDK's safety and reliability to avoid wasting build time or exposing users to unsafe practices. So in a few months, we'll share information like version adoption levels, permission requests, and retention rates to help you choose the right SDK for your business and users. For parents, a quality app is one that protects their children's privacy and safety. In the past year, we've continued to refine our advertising restrictions and parental control requirements to enhance privacy and safety for kids. Now, eligible app and game businesses can add a badge to their data safety section, highlighting that they're committed to following the family's policy. You can expect to see continued policy updates this year designed to protect kids' safety. People expect that quality apps only collect and use the data required for your app or game to function. So this year, we are going to continue aligning permissions more closely with the appropriate use cases. We're also engaged in conversations with app and game businesses about mitigating risks for apps that target API levels from older Android OS versions. Updating to the latest Android OS version will also give you access to the latest features in building a quality app experience. As we continue working to keep Google Play safe for your users and businesses, we continuously update our policies and supporting technology. You can stay up to date with all the latest news and information on the Privacy Sandbox on Android by signing up for the newsletter. And to learn more about new policy updates, please join the regular policy webinars or watch the Policy Bites. Thank you for your critical partnership in making Google Play a safe and trustworthy platform for everyone.